Hello students, good morning to all of you. Yes, I am back. Now this is the time to teach you social study. So the topic that I will teach you is scale. What is a scale? Why we need scale to draw a map? Cartographer need scale to draw the map. Listen, a map is also a type of drawing that shows it makes a large area that is shown on small size or small piece of paper. That means what I told, it makes a large area fit into a small size paper. So for this, we will see then how does a map maker use this scale on the map, that I want to show you. First, we will read the definition of the scale. Look at the board. Scale. Scale is the proportion or ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. Students, here is two things. The ratio between two things. First one is the distance on the ground, that means the actual distance on the ground, and another is the distance shown on the map. So this thing we will show you. Listen, I want to give you one example that make you clear. For example, I am giving you the distance between your home and school. The distance between your home and school is 15 kilometer. This is the distance on the ground. This is the actual distance on the ground. But this distance we cannot show on the map. Then we need a large size of paper. That is not possible. So what we will do, what a cartographer do, what a map maker do, the map makers do what? They take a small size paper and they give a ratio between them. They proportion. They show the proportion. How they show the proportion? Yes. Think 15 kilometer. A scale you take like this, draw a scale. Okay? Here. We will take kilometer here, the actual kilometer shown on the ground. We will take in centimeter on the map. For centimeter, we will give 0. Okay. Then second is here we will write 15 kilometer. Then 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Then 1 centimeter is equal to 3 kilometer. That means this scale This scale shows 1 centimeter is equal to 3 kilometer. Think this is your home and this is school. Then the distance will be like this. This is your home and this is your school. Then the distance will be like this, 15 kilometer, 15 kilometer. Understand? So we take the ground actual distance on the ground that is shown on the map with centimeter. Kilometer on the ground is shown, centimeter on the map. So students, I think it is clear with example. This is an example. This is an example. I have shown how cartographers make a scale on the map. Okay, the next thing is we should know what is a small scale maps and what is large scale maps. Small scale maps, maps that show large areas on small map. For example, map of India. I am telling you, see this picture. This is map of India. This is a large area. A country has a large area that we show on a smallish size. In a smaller size, see, in a smaller size cartographer has shown. Then that means a large area when it is shown on a small map, that is called small scale map. And you see this, think this is a picture, a map of town or city like Barashat. Then Barashat is a small place. A small place is shown in the map in a large scale. It is shown on the large scale. That means the maps that show small area on the large map. This is large map. Small area, that is not like a country. It is a small area. Small area means like city, or you can show a state. That you can show elaborately. You can show it large size. Then when you are showing the map on the large size, small map in the large size, that is a large scale map. Then read it again. Maps that show small areas on large map is called large scale maps. For example, map of Barashat. So this is the topic in which we have studied, we have learnt about scale, then small scale maps, large scale maps. Okay, then what I told you, without scale, if we will draw a map, that will not called map, that will called a sketch. So student, you will write this 3 definitions, and for example, I have given this scale, how a map maker makes a map, that I have shown you. Okay, learn this, write in your copy and learn this. The topic is over. Bye.